Okay, here is the fast version of how to make your sublimated keychain. So I'm putting both of my downloaded images into my Photopea document. Then I put my cat on top. I'd lower the opacity of my cat so I can see both images. I'm going to transform my cat. So I make sure my cat is active in the layers panel, and I go to edit, transform, scale. Then I grab the little dots on the edge, my handles, and I scale it down so that they overlap nicely. I can hit enter or click away, like over here, to accept the change. I'm going to put the opacity back to 100, get the magic wand, select my cat shape, hide my cat layer, make my background layer active, hit the layer mask button. Then I'll go to the cropping tool, drag the edges to where I want the edges of the document to be, hit return to apply it. And then at that point, I will file save as PSD. Then I will file export as PNG. In the PNG, I will change the size to match the item I want to print on, and I will save it. And I will make sure I know where it's saving to. Downloads. Awesome.